So delicious. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a mango pineapple strawberry smoothie. Okay, so before I go into the video, remember to like, share and comment on my other videos. Thank you for watching, thank you for sharing, thank you for always commenting. All right, thank you guys for the support so far. I appreciate you. And remember to follow me on all social at Anbu, okay? Thank you so much. Guys, please follow me on Facebook, all right? So let's go right into the main video, guys. So I have here mango and strawberry in this bowl, already cut up, frozen. Pineapple chunks in here. So these are the package that they came out of: mango chunks, yes guys, and pineapple chunks. So I don't have to peel, it's right in the package. I have my yogurt, and this is Greek yogurt raspberry. I'm using some almond milk, and I'm using some cube ice. And I have some whipped cream. So those of you who love whipped cream, you can add it on top of your smoothie. You can put anything you want to garnish your smoothie. Okay, so let's dive right into the video. And I have my blender ready, so let's go. So I'm gonna add the fruits to the blender. Okay, I'm gonna add my yogurt. So delicious, guys. I'm gonna add my cube ice. I'm gonna add roughly a glass of milk. So you can use any milk you prefer. Okay guys, we're gonna add that glass. Let's add a little bit more, because sometimes when you start to blend, the blender struggles if there is not enough liquid. Alright, so I'm gonna cover. And there you have it, guys, all done. My mango pineapple strawberry smoothie. I'm gonna glass this now. Let me show you guys. Wow, so beautiful. Oh my god, this is This is so delicious, guys. And look at the beautiful color, the beautiful pink color. I love it. Tasty. So delicious. So guys, go ahead and try this smoothie. You will love it. Yes, very delicious. So yeah, you can go ahead and try. Guys, I can't stop drinking. So delicious. And I added whipped cream on it, so it gives it a little, you know, a little buzz. So it's very nice. Go ahead and try it, guys, and you can also go ahead and add your whipped cream to your smoothie, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for liking. So until my next video, bye.